Hello children and welcome to today's online class. So we have been learning chapter 18 cube and cuboid. It's page number 270. So let's discuss question number 2 today. So I have a question here. Find the total surface area of a cubical block. So here cubical block means it is a cube. Cube, you know, the dice of a Ludo. So that kind of shape, cube. Cube means length, breadth, height of the solid is equal. Everything, length, breadth, height, they all are equal to each other. So such cubical blocks, you have to find surface area containing 343 cubic centimeter. So cubic centimeter is a unit used for volume. That means it is the volume of a cube. So volume of a cube is given, you have to find the total surface area. So we have to begin our solution as our volume is given. So I can write here volume of cubical block or cube. Volume of cube equal to 343 cubic centimeter, or cubic centimeter we can also write centimeter cube. Both are same. Centimeter cube and cubic centimeter both are same. So volume of a cube, its formula we should know, and its formula is side cube. Side cube we write a cube. In the formula list I have said the side of a cube is denoted by letter A. So a cube, side cube means a cube. A cube equal to 343, but I have to find the value of A. So when I will remove cube from left hand side, I will get cube root in the right hand side. So cube of 343 we have to find. So to find the cube of 343, if you know, it's very good, otherwise you can do the rough work. So here we can divide it by 7. 7 4s are 28, 7 9s are 63. So 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are. That means in cube root what we do, out of 3 we take only one part. So out of 3 parts we take one part. So our cube root will be 7. Therefore A is equal to 7 centimeter. Because we have centimeter cube in the volume, so as a side we will write centimeter. Now the question is to find the surface area. So we will be writing, therefore the surface area of cube equal to, its formula is 6 into side square, that is 6 into a square. It's because we have 6 faces in a cube and each and every face length, breadth, height is a, so we have to write a square. So 6 into a means 7 and a square means 7 we can multiply sorry 2 times. So I can write this way also, like this, 6 7s are 42 into 7. Next 7 2s are 14, 4 in hand we have 1, 7 4s are 28, 28 and 1 29, 294 its area. So in area our unit should be square, centimeter square. This is our answer, children. Let us discuss one more question, children. So children, I have one more question here. So question number 3 says a solid stack measuring 20 meter by 15 meter by 6 meter contains 12 lakhs, because 5 zeros, so 12 lakhs bricks, each 25 centimeter long and 6 centimeter thick. Find the width of brick. So here there are 2 shapes and both are cuboid. One is stack. Stack is just like it is made of bricks, it is also in cuboid shape, and the brick which makes the stack, the bricks also are in cuboid shape. So both are cuboid shape, but one is larger in shape and one is smaller in shape. The cuboid stack is huge in shape and it is made up of bricks, and the bricks are small in shape. So number of bricks are given and length, breadth, height 20 meter by 15 meter by 6 meter. Length, breadth, height of solid stack, that is the larger cuboid is given, and length and height of the bricks given. You have to find the width, that is the breadth of the brick. So number of bricks, how many bricks were used, its number also is given. So in such case what happens, whenever we divide the larger cuboid, the larger solid by smaller solid, then its number comes. It is the actually formula. So our formula says volume of cuboid stack by volume of cuboid brick. Volume of, we can write each cuboid brick. You have to write volume of each. The word each is very important. Volume of each cuboid brick. So when you divide these two solids, the larger solid with the smaller solid, then the number of bricks will come is equal to number of bricks. So this is the common sense formula you have to use in this, and then now you have to use the formula as per the discussion in the first video where we have discussed in the virtual class. So volume of cuboid stack, so we can say the volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. Here let us write the capital letters and the volume of each cuboid brick. This is also cuboid, that means here also the volume formula will be same, length into breadth into height, but let us use smaller for this because this is larger shape, this is smaller shape. So as per the situation I am using the alphabet, and number of bricks we have 12 lakhs, 5 zeros. So 12 lakh bricks. But children, one very important point to be noted here, the units used for bricks are centimeter, and the unit used for stack, the larger body, the larger shape is meter. So what we should do, let us convert this meter also in centimeter. And let me remind you children, when we multiply meter by 100, it becomes centimeter. So if I multiply 20 meter by 100, it will have two more zeros, that means 20 will become 2000 and it will become centimeter. So what we will do, in place of 20 meter, I will make it centimeter by putting two zeros. So our length will become now 2000. Now 15 meter, if you multiply by 100, we will get two more zeros. So it will become 1500 centimeter. That means I am converting all the units in centimeter. And 6 meter also, if you multiply by 100, it will gain two more zeros and it will become 600 centimeter. But for the bricks, all the units are in centimeter, so we will not change it, we will keep it same. So 25 meter is our length, write 25 meter. Breadth of the bricks are not given, so write breadth only. But height means width is given as 6, so write 6 only, and is equal to its number, that is 12 lakhs. Okay, whatever we can cancel, let us cancel it. So it will become 100 here. Here also if you want to cancel, you can cancel. You can cancel with 100 or you can cancel with any other number. So let me cancel with 100 only. 25 4 Okay, next children, we have to find the value of this B, breadth or width of the brick. So let us go for cross multiplication. So 12 lakhs will multiply with B because rest all have vanished, it has cancelled. So our result will be 12 lakhs into B equal to, and this 1504, this will cross multiply with 1, so they will also be same. So it will be 2000 here, same thing, into 1500, same thing, and into 4. It's just a cross multiplication. This 12 lakhs got cross multiplied with B, and they are getting cross multiplied with 1, because denominator there is nothing, means it is 1. So what I will do, I will make now B alone, then this will go and divide with those numbers. So our final result is about to come, 2000 into 1500 into 4 by 12 lakhs. So now you can cancel the zeros as per the requirement. So here 3 zeros you cancel, here also 3 zeros will cancel. You cancel these 2 zeros, these 2 zeros also will cancel. So you can see it is just now only 12. So now 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, and 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. So you can see only 2 and 5 remaining at the end. So B is only 2 fives are 10 centimeter, because we have converted everything in centimeter. So I can say the breadth or the width of the brick will be 10 centimeter. Children, easy question but technical. This starting formula you have to learn, rest all are very easy, it is known to you. So hope children you understood. Thank you children.